So guys, this is your boy Unshakable, and I'm going to be showing you how you can earn $171 doing nothing but posting ads online. And guys, if you have watched a lot of video, tried a lot of strategies on how to make money online, and you still didn't make money online, then this video is for you. Because if you try this the way I tried it, and persistently enough the way you should, then I'm sure you can get the result I got. So stick with me to the very end of the video so as to understand the lot of information I have got for you. So I'm sure you guys have heard a lot about link shorteners like Bitly, tiny URL, where you go to shorten your long URL links, and unlike this big link shortener, we have new link shortener just coming up, trying to get us to use their service. They are ready to get us paid in order to use their service, and they in turn help us generate income by posting ads on our links that we have shortened. And by these ways guys, we can earn and make more money. So guys, I've got the best link shortener for you. 2022 is a new one, it's fast, and guys, it pays out massively. On a click you can get up to $16 depending on the country you are getting the click from. So guys, the site I'm going to be loving you to check out is going to be Shorte.st. So I'll be dropping the link in the description and also in the comment section, so you can easily access the site. And guys, I want you to create an account. I'll be showing you in my screen how you can create an account now. It's going to be in 3 different steps. And also guys, this is just the first step on how to create it. I'm getting you to know more about the site and the strategy we are going to be using, but I'm going to be showing you how you can earn from this, how you can make money from this. This is the website you are going to be using today. It's Shorte.st, just like I like to call it. And guys, you monetize your website and links that you share on this site. And one other thing I want you guys to see is they have over 300,000 earning users from this site, and these sites are available for websites and blogs owners, social media and community members, and also guys, online marketers and affiliates. So if you are probably thinking you are not among the terms mentioned above, then you are wrong, because you either have a Facebook account, so you are a social media member, you have probably an Instagram account, a TikTok account, and you belong to a community. You are currently on a community right now. You are on YouTube, you belong to YouTube community right now, so you can use this to share links and also monetize your links that is shared. And also guys, I want you to click the join now and start earning from this site. It's loading now, so you can see it now. Probably I'll suggest you go with the signing with Google, but if probably you don't have a Google mail, you can click your email now. I'll be dropping my emails and also confirming it again. See, okay, let's see. So guys, create a password. Just choose a password, and you can see. So accept the terms, click the I'm not a robot, because you are not a robot. So click the register button and it will take you to the dashboard. So guys, I just created my account, and just like you can see it, I'll be going to verify my email. They sent a verification email to my mail right now, so I'll be checking it now. Just got the mail. This is the mail they sent. They said don't forget to activate your shorte.st account, so I'll be going there now. I'm clicking yes so as to get my account verified, and it's okay, you can see it now. I've been successfully logged in. Now I can create links here, shorten the links now, and also guys, I can get paid from this site. So guys, the next question I'm going to be answering is where to get the link from, and how to shorten the links. So literally you can get the link from anywhere. You can get it from TikTok, from Instagram, from Facebook. You can get the link from anywhere, even from YouTube. So you are just going to be hitting the copy button, copy the links, and guys, you're going to be pasting it here. So I'm going to be doing an Instagram link, so I'm going to be shortening it. I'm going to go to my Instagram now. So here you can see, clicking the new post now. So just like you can see it now, we have, okay, so you see this, she's trying to shoot a gun, so I'll try copying this now. I hit the copy link, then boom, I go to my link shortener and click this. I paste the Instagram link and hit the shorten straight. Now it helped me to shorten the link. has already shortened it already. I'll copy it. And guys, the next question you're going to be asking me is where to paste the link and how to post the link. And guys, I won't want you guys to paste it in sites like Facebook, Instagram directly like that. I want you guys to do something like this. Go to Google sites, then yeah, you can see it. So I'll be putting on the desktop sites, clicking the desktop site because it only works on desktop sites, and I'll be clicking blank so as to create a new site with you guys. And you can see it's loading now. It's loading. So I want to delete this text here. You can click the delete here. So the next thing, I want to change this to title only, then input something like shotgun, so as just something, let's say shooting guns here, so as to just to create something related to what was happening in the video or in the link we copied. Then I'll be adding a text box, and in the text box I'll be doing something like this. I'll be clicking this triple button just so you can see it. Then the next thing I want to do, okay, yeah, so click the edit, then the triple button, you can see it. Then afterward, click this link, just this one, then you can see it now. Input the text, you can see, click there's the link you want to copy. I'll be pasting the link now, you can see it. This is the link, and the text, let's press something like click, let's press continue, click continue to proceed, yeah. So let's do something like this, apply it, you can see it now. So now it's, you can see it is done. Then the next thing I want you guys to do is to create another one. Probably make this one let's make this one a header, you can see it now, so as to be bigger in size. And let's make this continue, so you can see it. Then try to do the same thing here. Let's paste the link again just to be sure. Continue, okay, so apply, okay, so you can see it now, it's done. And all you have to do next is click the publish. And so guys, create this, you can see, click this, and this all you have to do. You can see it now, I can view the site. So this is going to be on the internet when people search it, when people place this link. And now just like you can see what we did, in case they click here, it will take them to the page, the link you have copied. And also in case they click this continue, it will also take them to the link you have copied. You can see it now. So that's what it's going to be doing. So guys, the next thing you are going to be asking me is where to get traffic from. But before that guys, I want you guys to copy the link to the site you just created. So I've got mine copied. Then I want you to you can go to sites like Facebook. I just did one now. I went to my Facebook, I went to some groups. So click paste this. So just try to find groups that are related to what you are posting. Click some story. You can probably use I found this girl shooting some wonderful guns on Instagram, do well to check this post with me. You can just think of something that will get people to click the link, because that's all you need to do. Make them click the link, and you get paid. And next guys, I want you guys to search on Google Herculist Plus. You can see, just click the sign up. Then guys, you are going to be filling your email just like I did. You can see I filled my email, and click the I'm not a robot. And guys, before that, I want you guys to create a new email just like I can see I did. And the reason why you're creating a new email is because they are going to be sending a lot of spam mails. And for me, I use temp mail. You can search it on Google. I use temp mail to create free emails. You can see it. Now Verge app that I just created, it gives me this. I can use this, and I go to Herculist, just like you can see it here. Go to Herculist. Oh, sorry, I think it's the other one. So yes, this is it. So then click the create account. So I can save this now. You can see it. So what it does for me is to direct me to the verification page where I can go to my temp mail, just like I did. You can see now I've received the I've received the email they sent, the verification email. So yeah, so what I'll be doing is to verify it now. And that's what you guys are going to be doing. You can see it. I'm going to be confirming my email now. So I just confirmed it. You can see it. So the next thing I want you guys to do is to click the submit ads. So it's the submit ad button straight. Then after this, you guys you can, the link you just copied, you see, create the subject like the test URL, input it here. You can see I have a lot of links here, so just going to use one that I've used before. You can see these are Google site here. Click it here, create a text. Just randomly I found something, something that will interest the viewers that are going to be viewing it. Then guys, click the submit ad. Then literally it will send you to 1000 different mails. And another trick here that I use is I create multiple Herculist accounts, so as to get, at least if I create 4, I can get to share the link to at least 4000 people, because this only works for a day. Then the next day you have to post it again, so it's one mail for 24 hours. So guys, that's what I want you guys to be doing. Create like multiple accounts so you can get multiple emails to send, and multiple people you are going to be reaching out to. And so guys, I'm very sorry for not explaining more about the traffic, and the main reason I didn't is I didn't want to speculate on one aspect of traffic, because there are different ways of getting traffic. You can get traffic from Facebook, WhatsApp, like literally posting on your WhatsApp status. Go to your Instagram. There are different ways of getting traffic. You can go on TikTok, Twitch, even on YouTube you can get traffic. There are different ways of getting traffic. So guys, that's why I didn't explain into depth of how you can get traffic. And if you have any problem implementing anything in this video, please do well to check the link in the description below. I'll be dropping my contact details, and also I'll be dropping the links to every site I use in this video. I'll be dropping it in the link in the description. I'll be dropping it in links in the description below, so do well to check the description below. And also, to make it easily accessible to you guys, I'll be dropping it in the comment section. And guys, please click on the like and subscribe button so as to get this video to different people. I post things like this, make money online. I post things like this. And click on the video that is going to be popping out now. I'm going to be showing you a guaranteed way of how you can earn money from cryptocurrency. This 2022 is a new way, is a guaranteed way of how you can earn at least $78 every day from cryptocurrencies 2022. So please click the link or click the video that is going to be popping now. I'll see you there.